my god, look at this dress. This is super beautiful. Don't mind, it's same. I'm feeling tired. Like, even though I haven't done anything. Let me just check. It's raining outside and I'm freezing. Like, I haven't even done, and like, it's not even that cold today. Why am I? Oh, am I sick? I am sick. Let me check the temperature. Let me check if I am sick or not. I am sick, but my mom isn't at home, so who will do the stuff that I want? I will do everything by myself. Okay, now I have changed my clothes so I don't feel cold. I don't know why I'm feeling cold. I'm just going to make some pancakes. Now let me get the ingredients. I'm going to grab the rest of them later because I can't hold them at the same time. Grab some strawberry, egg and milk, and then flour. Now let's make these. Let's cook. Now I am going to sit here and eat this, alright, guys? Yummy. I hope I feel like I'm about to vomit. Let me go upstairs. Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Oh my god, why am I feeling super sick? Oh, no. What should I do? I wish my mom was here. I can't even play the guitar properly. Oh, my sister. Let me drink this coffee so I can feel a bit hot, so I don't feel cold, okay? Now I'm feeling a bit better. Let me just feed my little sister. She's hungry. She wants food. Where is her milk? Here it is. Now let me give it to her. What should I do? I'm bored, but I can't go outside and hang out with my friends. We usually love to hang out when it's cold. Oh, no, I guess I will just sleep today. I wish I wasn't feeling sick. Oh, now let's go to sleep. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe so I can feel better.